Before installation, please read through your car seat and vehicle instruction manual. Please ensure your car seat is properly installed before placing your little one in it. When used forward-facing, the shoulder harness height must be even with or just above your child's shoulders. Place the car seat forward-facing on the vehicle seat, with the car seat back flat against the vehicle seat back. Thread the vehicle seat belt through the back of the seat behind the soft goods. Pull the vehicle belt out of the other side and engage the buckle, feeding any slack through the seat. Make sure the buckle and seat belt are in line with each other. The seat belt should lay as flat as possible and not be twisted. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the lock-off device. Press down firmly in the center of the car seat and pull on the shoulder belt to tighten. Close the lock-off device. Loosen the harness by pressing on the harness adjuster button and pulling out the slack. Unbuckle the harness and place the harness straps off to the sides. Once your little one is in the seat, pull the shoulder harness over your child's shoulders and engage the buckle. Pull the harness adjustment belt to tighten the harness, ensuring your child is secure. If you can pinch the strap, the harness is too loose. Pull the harness adjuster belt to remove any slack. Pinch the straps again to make sure there is no slack. When used in high-back booster mode, the seat belt guides must be level with or just above the shoulders. Ensure that the backrest of the car seat is pushed firmly against the backrest of the vehicle's seat. Have your big kid get into the car seat. Place the vehicle's seat belt across your child, ensuring that the lap belt goes through the red belt guides on the sides of the seat. Engage the buckle. Ensure that the lap belt is located as low as possible towards the thighs and there is no twist in the belt. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the red belt guide located below the headrest. Loosen the harness and remove the inserts. Locate the harness connector at the back of the seat, release the straps from the harness connector. From the front of the seat, pull the harness straps through the slot in the seat's backrest and harness pads. Thread the harness pads through to the back. Pull the harness pad through to the front of the seat. Thread the harness pad back through the appropriate slot depending on the size of your child. Thread the harness straps through the harness pads. Make sure not to twist the straps. Rethread the harness strap back onto the harness connector at the back of the seat. Replace the crotch pad and the body insert if needed. Remove the crotch pad and loosen the harness. From the rear of the seat, find the harness connector. Slide both the harness straps off the harness connector at the back of the backrest. Pull the straps through the slots in the seat backrest and the harness pads. Thread the harness pads through to the back. Pull the harness pad through to the front of the seat. Unhook the elastics on both sides of the seat pad. Unbuckle the harness and put the straps to the sides. Pull the seat cover forward and pull the buckle through the seat pad to reveal the grey buttons. Slide the buttons simultaneously to lower the back support. Remove the straps by pulling the fabric loop out and over the frame. Repeat on the other side. Set the straps aside. Pull the seat back forward until you hear a click. From underneath the seat, locate the buckle retainer. Turn the buckle retainer on its narrowest end and feed it through the slot. Remove the buckle. Tuck the seat pad in place and reattach the elastics on both sides of the seat. For more instructions, please visit gracobaby.eu.